guys!
Yay! Ito si Axel.
Fighter!
Oh, firefighter.
Here.
Ang isusot ni Axel ngayon.
Fighter!
Ayan, oh.
Yung guys ko yung fighter
Fireman.
Guys ko yung fighter item.
Nag-fireman muna si Axel. Fireman to ha, fireman.
Bawa yung big axe.
Ayan, ito firefighter. Fireman ang susukatin ni Axel ngayon.
Maybe tayo put it with water.
Ito fireman.
Tayo put it with water.
Mamaya.
Put it.
Sukong na tagli.
I want to put it with water. About I already put it
Di
with
na.
water.
Oo nga. Ito yung pantalon.
Okay.
May size to ha, may sizes. Small, medium, large. Umayos.
Fighter. How about you put it with water that?
Ito yung damit.
Damit. Now. And this heat in the water. But now you put it with water. But you put it
Oo,
with water
sandali.
right now.
Ayusin muna natin to.
Yes, but I put it with water.
Nandito na ang ating firefighter.
Well, first I need to put it with water.
Ayan o. Ito yung...
You put it with
Ito din.
water. Water.
Mamaya nga. Yung mga accessories niya. Ayan. Ito yung sombrero.
Killed it. Hey.
Pakita mo dali. Ayan ang ating firefighter. Fireman costume. Ayan o. Tingnan mo likod. Ayan likod niya. Fireman to ha. Fireman costume. Ayan o. Harap. O, ayan siya. Fireman. Fireman costume, oh. Ito yung sombrero.
Bombero.
Bumbero. Doon. Oh. Mahulog ka dandan. Oh. Ayan ang ating bombero. Tingin dito, bombero. Uy, fireman. Dito, fireman. Ayan o, fireman costume, pambata. May sizes, small, medium, large. Fireman costume, halika na dito. Nagbabay na dali. Ayan ating fireman costume. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Thank you for watching, guys.